Hello, good morning. So today is our uh, last day in Ninh Binh, which is one of the city, you can say, or province in Vietnam. So we are checking out at 11:30, and we came day before yesterday uh, to travel the areas of Ninh Binh. There is so many good attractions. So yesterday the hotel is fantastic. We had a very comfortable stay in this hotel. It's called Tam Coc Guesthouse. And yesterday we were in rush in the morning because we had to go to visit all the local areas. That's the reason we are here for. But today, this morning, we are enjoying a lovely Vietnamese breakfast. So I'm just gonna show you that what's that basically included in our breakfast table. So here is Una, my wife, and here is the omelette, bread. It's a kind of sweet balls with a sprinkle of sesame seed, and this is the pineapple and cucumber, and we are taking some special Vietnamese tea, which is a super like a flavor, or you can say that good for the morning freshness. And it's a pretty cool. So we had a super and fantastic experience staying in this hotel. So anyone plan to stay and visit the local places in Ninh Binh, most of the people they plan to visit Ninh Binh when they are in Hanoi, which is the capital city of Vietnam, and it's a one-day trip, but which is a kind of hassle and tiring. But I highly recommend that you stay in Ninh Binh for a day or 2 days to explore Ninh Binh properly. Like they have so many places that very, 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 very beautiful, and it's definitely worth visiting. So that's what exactly we did. We left Hanoi and we came to Ninh Binh, and we took a hotel for a 2 day stay, and from here we explored the places that we wanted to go. So now the question is, how is Ninh Binh and what is the all about? Ninh Binh is a kind of province, or you can say a different city, few hundred miles far from the capital city of Hanoi, and most important two things that must go when you are in Ninh Binh. Number one is Trang An, which is a super scenic, natural, 100% natural beauty. So you're gonna be there, but just keep in mind that the ticket is a bit expensive, but still it's definitely worth visiting, because Ninh Binh is really very, very famous for its natural beauty. And the second thing is a cultural destination which is called what is the place is called? Bai Dinh Pagoda. Yes, it's a very important. Yeah, so which is a bit expensive too, but definitely worth visiting, because you will be visiting like a big area, and they're gonna provide you a electric car, hop on and hop off. You do not have to pay anything for that. Everything is included with the ticket that you paid upfront. So those two places is a must. And other than that, if you have enough time to explore other places that we did, which is like a Tam Coc, lying dragon on the top of the mountain, which is a bit challenging for the people who had like a knee problem, heart problem, those kind of thing. So overall, Ninh Binh is a fantastic place to visit. So if you plan to visit Vietnam, other than Ho Chi Minh and Hanoi and Da Nang, I think Ninh Binh is a must-go place to explore the natural beauty. So I am Pradeep, and Weena with me this morning, and I hope you guys enjoy a lovely day with us, and thank you for watching. Take care.